Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida Tajdeed. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is tashdid? Viewers, we know that the W shaped sign, this sign is called tashdid. This sign is called tashdid. What is mushaddad letter? A letter which has a W shape sign or this sign on it is called mushaddad letter. A letter which has this sign is called W sign or mushaddad sign or tajdeed sign. On it is called mushaddad letter. Any letter which has this sign on it is called mushaddad letter. And keep remember, this sign always placed above the letter or top the letter. Keep remember, this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. How do we pronounce the mushaddad letter? In an Arabic, we pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. In Arabic accent, we pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause holding down slightly. I repeat that how do we pronounce the mushaddad letter? A letter which has W sign or tajdeed sign. In an Arabic accent, we pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause holding down slightly. Mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent will be pronounced twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause holding down slightly. How this will be pronounced, we will see in this lesson with examples. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has any harkat, zabar, zir or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. In an Arabic accent, what is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has any harkat, zabar, zir or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. And we know that zabar and pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, and zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. I repeat, zabar and pesh will be placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas zer will be placed bottom of the letter or below the letter. How we pronounce mushaddad letter here? Seen is mushaddad letter because it has tajdeed sign or W sign. This sign is called tajdeed sign, and we know that any letter which has W sign or tajdeed sign is called mushaddad letter. And there is Hamza which has zabar on it, which has harkat on it, is called mutaharrik letter. How we pronounce this mushaddad letter? We pronounce this mushaddad letter twice, because mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Here mutaharrik letter is Hamza. It has harkat zabar on it, and then this letter will be pronounced by its own harkat. This letter has zabar its own harkat. Let's spell how do we pronounce mushaddad letter. Hamza, Seen, Zabar, As, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Assa. I repeat, follow me, copy me. Hamza, Seen, Zabar, As, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Assa. The next letter is here. This letter has W sign on it. This is called mushaddad letter, and there is Hamza. It has Zer below it or bottom it. It is mutaharrik letter. How we pronounce this mushaddad letter? First, it will be joined with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and second, it will pronounce according to its own harkat. It has zabar on harkat. Let's spell Hamza, Seen, Zer, Is, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Issa. I repeat, Hamza, Seen, Zer, Is, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Issa. The next letter is mushaddad letter, which has W sign on it or tajdeed sign, and here Hamza has pesh. Here Hamza is mutaharrik letter. It has harkat on it and it has pesh on it, and this mushaddad letter also has its own harkat zabar. How do we pronounce? Let's spell Hamza, Seen, Pesh, Us, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Ussa. I repeat, Hamza, Seen, Pesh, Us, Seen, Zabar, Sa, Ussa. This is the example of mushaddad letter. In next video inshallah we will learn more example of mushaddad letters. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.